Hi. So, are you one of the millennials na nandidiri humawak ng basahan or ayaw magpiga ng mop pag naglilinis ng floor, lalo na sa mga nag-move out na, doon na nakatira sa sarili nilang bahay or sarili ng kondo. So, baka pareho tayo ng problema. So, ako din, nandidiri din ako pumiga ng mop. So, again, this is Tatan Santiago, and for this video, we will be showing you how to assemble and unboxing of the Home Gallery Tornado Mop 360. So sa ibang bansa, ibang modelo to, they call it differently, and I don't know kung meron din ganito sa ibang bansa, pero you can get this sa Pure Gold for $175. Pero nung nagpunta kami, they're offering it buy one take one for $149.95. Okay, so for the product manual, printed na siya dito sa labas. Okay, and it says here 360 degree rotating mop head, push mop stick downward to wash or to dry, and then it says here easy to assemble, no tools required. So now, we will be unboxing. As you can see, medyo sira na kasi pag binuhat to, sira, alright? So, let's start opening. Okay, so we have here yung mop cap, the mop itself, and yung container, ilalagyan ng water. I think this is where you wash. You fill this with water, ilagay ng soap, then you push here para mag-wash, and then you push here to dry. What else do we have here? Oh, another manual. Kala ko wala sa loob. So we have another manual here if you decide to remove or take out the box and the handle. So after reading the manual, sabi naman madali lang. So let's pull this out. Just have to clip this on this head. So let me show you a closer look dun sa fiber ng washcloth niya. So i-attach na natin. Nag-clip lang, nag-snap na siya, so I think that's it. It's already fixed. And for the rod, I think may nabibili naman silang replacement mop head. Ito, yung cleaning cloth, siguro around 100 or 50. So you just have to connect this to insert this one here. Just spin to lock, and that's it, I think. So just have to attach this one sa mop head here. Let's try. And then once you are able to push it in, lock it in place, and then that's it. You're ready to clean your house. Oh, by the way, there is something like an on and off switch. So pag naka-off siya, hindi siya iikot. Pag nilagay mo siya sa on, yun, umusog siya. Parang spring-loaded siya. And I'll just show you, it moves when you push down. Alright. Bawal lang madumi pag-iisip dito. You just have to push this down, and you will see it's rotating. So, for demo purposes, nilagyan ko siya ng water, half filled. Okay? Remember, para umikot siya, put this sa on side. Okay? Oh, diba? Ayaw mo magpiga, diba? So, just push this one down, like that. Medyo matigas pa siguro kasi kumbaga sa kotse, break-in pa. And there you go. It's all wet. Para medyo mas malinaw. And then, pag i-dry mo na siya, if you're ready to use, nakikita nyo, lumalabas yung tubig. And it's spinning so fast. I think they call it centrifugal force. Right? So, kung tapos ka na mag-ikot, off. See, it's all almost dry. Hindi na tumutulo, di ba? Hindi ka naman didiri. So again, basahin natin. On. Meron siyang slot dito na sinusyutan eh. Yan. So push again para basa. Basa siya. As you can see, dripping. And then lagay natin dito para mag-dry. Boom! Linis na. All dry. No more dripping problems. Alright? So, just sa mga mag-move out, sa mga nandidiri maglinis, or sa nandidiri humawak ng mop, this is your solution. Hindi siya bagong produkto, pero sulit siya. Alright? We've been using the other one for like a week already, pero sulit siya, I assure you. Alright? So, follow us on YouTube for other product reviews, and give us a thumbs up. Alright? Again, this is Tantan Santiago. Have a good one. Bye-bye.